Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to add bio on Bigo Live. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to add bio on Bigo Live. Maybe because since you have created your account on it, you haven't uploaded any bio, or maybe you have seen a quote or anything written on the internet and it really inspired you, so you want to post that thing as your bio on Bigo Live. Or it could be any other reason for you to upload your bio on Bigo Live. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed a Bigo Live, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Bigo Live to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. Right now you could see we have a lot of live streams, or you could see creators on our home screen. Other than that, we have some options at the top of the screen and some options at the bottom of the screen. So from all these top to bottom options, we have to click an option which is on the right bottom side of the screen. This one is similar to profile icon and it says me. So once you tap on it, you will see the title of me at the top left, and you will see these options. So from all these things, now what you have to do here is that you have to click onto this pencil icon or pen icon. Once you get here, again you will see some stuff related to your profile, like your name, your profile avatar, and your profile ID. So from all these options, you have to again click onto this pen icon. Once you click on it, first you will read the title of edit. That means through this option you can edit your personal information, which also includes bio. So now if you want to add bio, you have to scroll down and then you will see this section. Here we have multiple options. So from all these options, we have this option at the bottom of this section which says bio, and right now no bio is written here. So if you want to add any bio, you just have to simply tap onto that option bio and it will open, and there you can post whatever you want to write. You could either write about yourself, you can about anything that you found internet, or maybe anything whatever comes to your mind. Here you have to make sure that whatever you write, it should consist of only 80 letters, because the limitation is only 80, so you have to keep that in mind. Once you write whatever you want to write, you just have to simply click on save option, this one, and after that your bio will be saved on your profile, as you can see here. So now we will get back, and once we will get back, we will see how our written bio that we just wrote looks on our profile. Here I just got back, and now I'm again going into my profile by typing on this icon, and here you can see the bio has been written here. So whatever you write in your bio, it will appear here. This was the easiest way I know through which you can add bio on Bigo Live. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.